Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on creatively managing and decorating your home. So why don't you consider subscribing? You can click on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button down below. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a before of our master bedroom. We recently underwent a big remodel of that room, and this is the before video. I'll have an in-process video and then a reveal video as well. So I hope you enjoy seeing my master bedroom remodel before. So here are a few shots of the master bedroom before. We had actually already scraped the ceiling that used to have popcorn on it and had some recessed lighting installed, and we had painted it all a couple of years ago. But what we're doing in this remodel is we are going to be putting in some Brazilian cherry hardwood flooring, and we're also going to be redoing all of the baseboards, trim work, repainting the doors, and we're going to be installing some new closet organizers, painting the walls in the closet, and also installing some cedar on the back walls of the closet. And here you can see the transition between the hardwood in the hallway and the carpet that's in our bedroom that was existing before we did the project. And then here's a look at where the bed is in relationship to the hallway that has our master closets and leads to the master bathroom. As I mentioned, we were going to put in new closet organizers, and fortunately we were still able to use those existing mirrored doors once we put the new flooring in. Here's a look at the master closet that I use, what it looked like before. There was an alarm system on the back wall, as well as a broken access panel on the ceiling of the closet. And you'll actually see some video of that here. And I'm just scanning around. We were already starting to take things out of the closet to get ready for demoing it. That blue thing is the old alarm system, didn't work anymore. Actually, we're going to need to scrape that ceiling. You could see there was still some popcorn on it. This access panel goes to the jacuzzi tub in our bathroom. Here you can see I used to have shoes hanging on the back of the door because there wasn't enough space for them in the closet. And here is a look at the ugly color that the closet is, and actually the entire house used to be painted in this color when we first bought it. So this was the last remnants of this ugly mauve color, and we're going to replace that light switch as well. So here's a look at the mood board. You can see there's a closet with some cedar on the walls. There's a look at this closet system in the upper right, along with some detailed of the shoe racks that I'll be using, and then there's a look at the Brazilian cherry hardwood flooring. A little bit close-up view of the cedar. We're actually just going to put the cedar on the back walls of the closet. We're not doing it on the side walls. We think the back walls will be enough, and we don't want to lose the, some of the room we may need for putting up the shelving. And here's a close-up look. This is Elfa from the Container Store. I'm not sponsored. We are going to purchase all of these materials ourselves, but we did want the kind that had the birch fascia on it and the platinum ventilated drawers and shelves. And here's an up-close look at the shoe shelves for flat shoes, and then in a second actually, you'll see the shoe rack that is for high-heeled shoes. And both of these shoe racks pull out so that you can access the shoes more easily. So I am hoping this will be a lot more functional than having that shoe bag on the back of the door. Well, that's it for this episode of my master bedroom remodel series. Come back again in the future so you can see what it looked like while we were in process. We did this remodel right after we remodeled our bonus room. If you've missed that series of videos, I will have that linked for you in iCard up above. That's it for now. Come back next time. Again, if you're new to my channel, I really would appreciate it if you'd subscribe if you like this sort of content. And I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Have a great day, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.